Opportunities like this almost never hit the market. A 71-acre Amish compound with multiple homes and serious farm infrastructure. Set amid gently rolling Tennessee countryside, this extraordinary estate offers a way of living rooted in craftsmanship, intention, and peace, far removed from the noise and rush of modern life. provides additional accommodations, making this property ideal for extended family, community living, or caretakers. The land itself is a true highlight. Expansive pastures, fenced sections, mature trees, and sweeping views create a setting perfectly suited for livestock, horses, poultry, or large-scale homesteading. Productive garden areas, blueberry bushes, grapevines, and open acreage offer room to grow, both literally and figuratively. Farm infrastructure here is exceptional. Multiple large chicken barns, a heated double-story chicken basement, equipment sheds, garages, and various outbuildings provide serious capacity for agricultural operations or future repurposing. Whether your vision includes farming, ranching, or a self-sustaining retreat, the groundwork is already in place. Notably, the estate currently operates without conventional electricity, embracing an off-grid lifestyle that prioritizes simplicity, sustainability, and quiet. However, the layout allows for straightforward installation of electric service, solar, or hybrid systems if modern amenities are desired. This is not just land, it's a legacy property. Whether you envision a working farm, a private countryside retreat, an event venue, or a thoughtfully modernized homestead, this 71-acre Amish compound offers rare authenticity, unmatched space, and the freedom to create something truly meaningful.